bit of smoke. She running though. That loud exhaust leak that you hear is right down here. As you can see, that where is it? Get out of the way. Right there. You see where the exhaust pipe and the manifold connects. It don't connect all the way, so that's that loud, obnoxious noise that you're hearing. The smoking, I don't know. I gotta check the oil. Look like a lot of oil. I see some leak. I see a lot of oil leak down there. Whole lot of oil leak. Whole lot of wetness down there. So we're gonna check that out. See what that's about. I wish I could put it on the lift, you know. But the good thing, we got it running. We got it running, guys. We're gonna change this out anyway. This whole piece finna get replaced. See that? Matter of fact, we can do that now.